NewJeans refutes legal action taken by ADOR regarding termination of contract. Previously on November 29, the members of NewJeans announced the termination of their contracts due to ADOR's breach of contract and failure for rectification. On December 3, ADOR filed a lawsuit with the Seoul Central District Court to legally confirm the validity of their exclusive contracts with NewJeans. In response to ADOR's legal action, on December 6, NewJeans released the following statement. Hello, this is Minji, Hani, Danielle, Heron, and Hyin. We apologize for releasing this statement amid such chaotic times. We recently were informed that ADOR filed a lawsuit against us to confirm the validity of our exclusive contract. In the statement, they did not properly reveal that there was no breach of the exclusive contract. They only repeated the claims that because there was the company's support and investment, the contract could not be terminated until they were recovered. However, we have already returned the profits that exceeded the investments to ADOR and Hype. Despite this, Hype attempted to slander and lower our value, with ADOR assisting them after the change in management. This is no different than saying the company that should be protecting us was creating malicious comments. Seeing this as a break of trust, we have concluded that it is highly likely we will suffer more damage in the future. Our trust in ADOR and Hype has already collapsed. They have failed to properly fulfill their obligation to protect the artists, and have repeatedly violated the terms of the contract. As stated in the contract, we no longer have any reason to work with ADOR and Hype. The contract clearly states that if ADOR fails to fulfill its obligations, we can terminate the contract. Despite the breach of trust, forcing us to work for another 5 years is not only unreasonable but also inhumane. Although we gave ADOR a 14-day grace period to correct the breach of contract, they failed to accept our request. With this, we notified them of the termination of the contract following the exclusive contract, effective immediately. ADOR has filed a lawsuit to seek judgment on the legality of the issue, but this is just a procedure to receive confirmation. We find it very unfortunate that they released a statement misleading the public into thinking the contract is still valid. Again, we want to make it clear that we are no longer affiliated with ADOR as of November 29, 2024. ADOR cannot interfere with any of our activities. After reading the articles about how they were trying to reconcile with us on the outside while stalking and slandering us, we could not help but feel fear and disgust. No matter how much they try to cause an issue, the 5 of us are united, and no one can separate us. Although they find the lawsuit unfortunate, they hope that the trial will reveal the process that led to the termination of contract. We faithfully carry out our remaining schedules with ADOR as promised immediately after terminating our contract. However, we saw that the managers and producers helping with our schedules were harassed, and had their laptops taken away by ADOR and Hype. We find this behavior toward the staff difficult to accept, and find it painful that the damages caused by this inhumane company are not limited to us. Although the road ahead may not be easy, we dream of living with our fans who love us with healthy music activities. And we want to achieve that dream. Even after Hype's problems were revealed many times, ADOR did not correct them even after the CEO was replaced. Aside from not protecting us, they also did not demand improvement from other labels that damaged the company's reputation and spread false information. We find it very unfortunate that ADOR consistently made excuses and filed a lawsuit. We hope that the trial will reveal the process that led to the termination of the contract and ADOR's breach of contract. We want to be courageous and healthy people. We sincerely thank everyone who has supported us thus far, and we ask for your continuous support for the 5 of us. Thank you.